situations like this occur, people are going to look for where to point the finger. Well, it was the big banks. It was this, it was that. In the world of cryptocurrency, for traders and hodlers alike wondering what was behind Bitcoin's sudden dump that sent it crashing below $8,000 support, what happened to the store of value narrative? What happened to the safe haven asset narrative? Well, we do have on-chain data that many are looking at today suggesting that the infamous PlusToken scam, moving another batch of their ill-gotten Bitcoin to the market to sell off, certainly might have precipitated and helped the event along. Obviously, we've covered the PlusToken scandal a bunch. This is the largest Bitcoin scandal that's ever occurred. Participants in the $2.9 billion scheme appear to again be shedding their Bitcoin bags at a vulnerable time in the market. Over here on Twitter, user @Ergo, who is known for closely tracking the on-chain activities of the PlusToken bag holders, observed about 13,000 Bitcoin, or roughly $210 million worth, entering crypto mixers. According to Ergo, the tokens are being mixed to hide their traceability, and 2 feeder addresses have been identified. Right here, which I have on the screen, which dumped their balances into mixers on March 5th. He says, quote, "I've been looking and theorizing about this for months, and I can't see a scenario where the coins aren't being sold, at least to some degree," he summarized. "This was likely obvious to the exchanges starting in September. The accounts would have been frozen then." Now, what Ergo is referring to is the last major period of selling activity by the PlusToken group back in August of last year, where they dumped on the market at the top of the 2019 bull market. Now, the exchange accounts used by the PlusToken dumpers were likely eventually identified and frozen by exchanges. So now it seems the PlusToken sellers have returned with new exchange accounts, running through another batch of Bitcoin through the mixers quietly and pouring on these selling pressures quickly in effort to sell and exit before action can be taken. Now, if it's of any consolation, Ergo did note that the PlusToken sell-offs are now occurring at a much slower rate compared to earlier dumping rounds, saying, quote, "They are slamming the market with sell orders. Essentially, we have a giant whale unloading after every move up," Twitter analyst Kevin Svensson tweeted on Sunday. So with 24-hour losses for Bitcoin investors totaling 9% at the current time of recording, does the PlusToken explanation make you feel any better? Are you pleased to know that they will eventually run out of Bitcoin to dump? And would you now look at this as a buying opportunity? Or is this just, the straw that's going to break the camel's back and we are going to see significantly lower prices? Again, please let me know in the comments section down below any of your thoughts.